spoke about it more than 25 years after that day in 1972. Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. Got another radio from Jeff. He loans me radios from his collection, and this one is a GE model P977E. It's about a 1970s vintage AM/FM transistor radio, carrying handle. It's both AC and DC. It uses 4 AA batteries if you want to use the AC. Got a really long telescopic antenna that is held down by this strap. So you can unhook this strap and then you can rotate it in any direction you want. Very, very long. This thing's got to be about 30 inches long. Big dial, easy to read. Here are the controls: tuning, band select, volume on off. There's the back. Has an earphone jack. Very good condition. You got this off the Facebook Marketplace. Got it for $20. I don't know if it's just because I'm running it on AC, but the AM band has a lot of noise. Now let me turn this back up. Find the right button here.
It's 43 minutes past the hour.
Big news from
Not too bad there.
But
watch.
0% for 66 months on new Escapes and Explorers, plus no payments for 3 months. Get 0% for 66 months on Escapes and Explorers today at this Ford Giant Gulf Mill Ford.
I think that's caused by it running on AC. And maybe, the components in the AC to DC converter are aged, shall we say, like some of us. And then right there is the band select. Push this in or out. See it move? There you go. Pretty cool. Very unusual. We could try tuning it a little bit. Turn the volume back up. Down near the bottom of the band.
Tell you that you could save big with the ringtone cleaner from Progressive, or that every hot peach cobbler comes with round-the-clock service and protection.
Now there's
and that's the thing about the goat with magic
strong
powers.
station and it's doing
About
fine.
the sushi in Vancouver. See how much you could save with the home and auto, but with the shaman in the jungle from Progressive. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company.
Talking on a broad hauntings and the communication with human spirits.
Each day on the Trish Regan.
It's doing good. Better than I am, and I'm a lot older than it is.
For the American South.
Done on the 19th, which is Friday.
R-star being the neutral rate that keeps the...
And once it finds a station, it seems to lock on that station very good. And I could probably get more stations if I held it this way.
And that enhance your beauty.
Yeah.
Amino acid and a unique peptide blend.
Okay, let's try FM. Very carefully. Now it's on FM. We're at top of the band. No, not getting anything yet. Oh, I can't get hold of the tuning knob. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let me see if I get the button all the way. Yeah, it's out. What did I do? Turn it off?
Okay, there's AM.
Time, and it does all the work of finding and
That's
scheduling
FM.
qualified
Okay.
candidates for you. Then you can choose
Operator
who you
error.
want to talk to and meet with great people on back-to-back video calls.
Oh, yeah.
Or at the Florida State Fair.
Yeah. Working perfect. Yeah. Okay, get away from that music. Okay, enough of FM. Gotta stay away from that music. There we go. Whew. Gotta stay away from that music. I was just looking to see what it said down here. Two-way. That means it's two-way powered. Solid state. Automatic frequency control. Not bad. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios to show to you. He's got a pretty good collection nowadays. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. And have a great day. Bye-bye.